Hey all, welcome to CodeCraft WP, your one-stop solution for all your WordPress tips. After our recent video, there were requests to have a detailed video on themes. So here I came up with a new video to show you guys how the themes works in WordPress, how themes are get installed, how you can customize, what are the theme options we have, the free themes and the premium one. So in this video, I'll guide you A to Z with all the details that you wanted to know about the themes. So let's get this started. So guys, our first step will be to log into our WordPress dashboard. So let's move forward and log into our WordPress dashboard screen. So team, if you are not aware how to install WordPress on your local server, I have already prepared a detailed video how you can install the WordPress on your local server. Please check the video in the description. Here I have a username and password placed. So just add your username and password. If you are not sure how to reach this particular screen, you just have to write the wp-admin, that is your admin screen. Once you hit enter, you will be automatically redirect to this particular screen. Just add your username and password that you have chosen while installing this WordPress to your local server, and you just click on the login button and that should be fine. This screen will redirect you to the dashboard. This is the dashboard where you manage the entire area. This is the control panel of your WordPress. Here you can manage entire stuff for your website. So what is themes? Theme is something that will help you to manage the look, the design of your website. Let's divide the WordPress website in two parts. This part will be called as a WordPress backend, and here I'm visiting the site in a new tab. This part will be called a WordPress frontend. Here what I can see is my design is not look up to the mark and I wanted to update this particular screen. So how can I do that? Here in WordPress we have an option as a theme that can help us to optimize and have a better look for our WordPress website. Here from the WordPress backend screen, we will be able to manage the WordPress themes, their front end behavior, and how the website will look like. Here in WordPress dashboard, you will have all the options here. In these options, we will have a button appearance and that we have a theme. Let's click on the themes. These are the installed theme by default in your WordPress dashboard. Please ignore this particular theme for now. This I have added in my previous video where I have shown you how you can add a new theme to your WordPress dashboard. If you wanted to check that particular video, you can find their video details. Let's move forward here. These are the default themes that you can see while your WordPress is installed to your local server. If you wanted to switch the website design, for example, if I have visited my front end screen now and I wanted to select any of these themes, I have to activate them, and this is the activate button from where you can switch the theme. You can see the Hello Elementor is the theme that is currently activated. Let's activate this particular theme, that is 2023. I am clicking on the activate button. You see this theme has moved to the first level. So this particular theme is active currently. Let me refresh the website now. You see the website is updated. So this is what we are addressing in this particular video, how you can update your website look, your website design, and how theme will help you to reach out to that level. Okay guys, so now this was the main overview of themes, what themes are, what is change when you install and activate the theme, and how you can manage and activate the theme from your backend. Now the time is how you can install a new theme to your WordPress dashboard. Here I wanted to divide this theme installation part in two individual parts. First individual part is free themes, and second theme individual part is premium theme. What is free theme? Free theme is something that can offer you to be installed as a free version of your website. You don't have to purchase that particular theme and the elements. You can work without purchasing a premium version and you can install it to your website. For free version, we have multiple options here, but first we will be exploring the themes that provide WordPress. If you wanted to explore and activate the theme from your WordPress dashboard and try out the free version, you can click on this add theme button that is placed just above your activated theme. Just click on the add theme button. This will give you a screen that will be having all the themes that are provided by WordPress by default, and you can install them to your WordPress screen and activate them and start using for your website. These themes will be free of use and optimized by WordPress, and that will be supported to the latest version. You can pick a design that you need and you can start installing it. For this video, let's start exploring the Astra theme. Astra is one of the popular theme, and this will give you a better control to your WordPress website. Astra does have a premium version theme as well. You can start explore the Astra feature. I will give you the link in the description to purchase the Astra theme. Now let's start installing the Astra theme first. On this Astra button, we have a install and preview. Let me give you the hint how we can choose a theme. So if you wanted to check how the layout will look to your WordPress dashboard or your WordPress frontend, you can click on this preview button. This will give you a brief highlight of your website. So this is something that Astra has provided to the home page. So this is the home page layout that possibly will look like for your website. Once you're decided and you're happy with the preview, you can click on the install button. Let me click on the install. Once this theme is installed, it will be available for us to activate from the themes screen. So you see the Astra theme is installed now. We can see the activate button is appears here. Let's go back to dashboard screen, theme screen again. You can see Astra theme is available now. Let's click on the activate. You can see the dashboard adjustments slightly. We have an Astra menu added here, and let's refresh the website. You can see the website is adjusted based on the new theme that we have activated. Let's explore our first post also. So this is the layout that Astra has provided. Once you install the theme, you will have other additional option that theme has provided. For example, this is the Astra that comes with some additional option. Let's explore the dashboard. On the dashboard, you will be seeing all the customization option. I will make a detailed video for the Astra theme, what Astra provides, what options you will be having from the builder and other stuff. So that's it guys. That was the part 1 for the WordPress theme setup. How you can explore the free themes provided by WordPress, how you can install and activate the theme, how theme provides additional options specifically for Astra. So that was the setup that we have covered in this part 1. Part 2 is coming in upcoming days, where we will be exploring our premium version theme, how you can install and activate the premium version of specific theme, how you can choose what are the platforms from where you can purchase the premium theme, how you can decide what layouts and what themes are best for your website. We will be covering all the topics in our part 2. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to CodeCraft WP if you like this, and for more future WordPress tips. I'll see you in next video. Bye bye.